Hello and welcome to our channel. Because of the high demand of this video and the interaction on our Instagram page, nco_events, we decided to show you exactly how to make it from scratch. So we wanted to come with something very handy and very easy to move and to transport as well. We decided to choose the stand or the bench we want to work on, and we grabbed a bunch of swimming noodles, which you can find anywhere, Canadian Tire or Dollar Tree store. You start tying them 2 by 2 each, and then after that you take them and you tie every few in a bunch so it can make a one-form wall. If you go back to our Instagram page, you will see that we posted about those stands, which you can take and be easier for you to carry. You would just put the foam and the noodles on top of it, and you would zip it, tie it well from all the sides to make sure that it's really stable from every corner. We ended up needing more foam, so we added there based on the dimension that we want. And then we brought the 2 stands on the sides that you can see, as we wanted to do it as a table and we wanted to cover it. We will go with the same idea of having the foam noodle. For sure we will cut it in the middle and then zip tie it very well before sticking the flower into it. We got many questions about how many flowers did we put or we needed to put in there. I wish we have counted from the first beginning. It's hard to count, but it's for sure over than 300 flowers. You want to make sure you cover all the areas needed so you can see no foam, no spaces, no anything until you cover and you have a form piece. And then we took it to the client's house. I wanted to show you how easy it is to carry and to move the things around and put it in any place you would like. We decided to add up some candles to elevate the look. You can add any kind of lights you would like, any lanterns. And voila, here's the final result for this very stunning love seat that took everyone's attention and added so much into it. It was the talk of the day of the event, and so many likes and interactions from you guys. You can follow our page on Instagram and nco_events so you can see it more. You asked us about how to do everything in details, and here we showed you how. We hope that this video was really helpful for you. And last thing, it shows you here how we added the mirror circles so it can be like a bench on the side that elevates also the place as well, and touch-ups or decor shots of the whole event, how it was. If you want to look for more details, please follow our page, like and subscribe, and go to our page on Instagram on nco_events. For any other comments and questions and videos that you like us to make, please leave it in the comment and we will try as much to make everything for you.